Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and I want to introduce my new co-host right now. And yeah, we call this Toy, okay? Stinky. So I'll introduce Stinky. He's our mascot for the Daily Crypto Trade Signals. So welcome, Stinky, to the show. All right, let's get it, guys. Let's put Stinky right here so he can co-host this video. Hopefully, there. Got Stinky in the back. All right, guys. So we're gonna be talking about huge freaking announcement. This could change everything. And we're probably gonna see one heck of a pump. So you guys need to get prepared for this bad boy because a huge pump is going to be coming this week. I guarantee it out there. So a lot of good news is happening. Things are circling. You know, Batman's about to leave the Batcave, and we're about to go crazy in the membrane, guys. So I'm excited. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback, crypto, a little bit, but come on, it's Sunday. And to be expected, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Go back and watch all of the videos. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. So, in case you've been living under a rock, you guys know that China and U.S. are in Geneva, Switzerland, and they're finalizing the trade deal. That's pretty cool, right? And so there's been some leakage of what's been going on, but so far so good. Everything is pretty positive. Nothing has been officially confirmed yet in terms of who gets what, who does what, that kind of stuff. But when it comes out, I tell you, we're gonna pump like crazy out there. It's definitely good. So if you take a look at what's going on with the Dow futures right now, Dow futures are positive. We see the Dow is up 1%. So things are looking pretty positive. The futures are up, so that's pretty good news. Overall, we're seeing Bitcoin is still slightly positive. I mean, it's almost neutral, right? 0.09%. So it's just kind of been wavering out there. The altcoins are kind of down, except Pi. Pi has been going nuts. I don't know why. I should have bought Pi, but I didn't buy Pi, so I lost that. I missed the boat on that one. So overall, we're seeing right now. Let me give this a minty refresh out there. We're seeing right now the total market cap right now is at 333 trillion. That's an interesting number. We're down 0.25%. We're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is still at 62. The total fear and greed for crypto is pretty good right now at 73. So the overall people are pretty positive. Altcoin season, we're not there. We're only 35% into the altcoin season. And I tell you, when the altcoin season pumps, it's going to rip like crazy. Now we're seeing a revitalization of meme coins right now. We're seeing overall in the last 7 days, Dogecoin is up 38%. We're seeing a lot more money going into Doge. Pepe is up a whopping 78% right now. Wow. So I don't know. Am I holding Pepe? I don't know. I gotta check. The Pepster out there. I mean, Pepster was big in the last bull run, right? Shiba Inu was big as well. Not so many people talking about it. The official Trump coin, Bonk, is up. So we're seeing Floki's up 42%, Dog Whiff Hat 86%. So we're seeing a lot of craziness when it comes to meme coins, and that's kind of good because when meme coins pump, it means that retail is coming back to the game. And typically, when retail comes back in, they'll make some money on the memes, and then they'll buy like Bitcoin and the top altcoins. But it means that they're coming back in, so it's good. Overall, right now we're seeing, as I said, everything is kind of down. Ethereum's up 40% in the last 7 days. That's amazing, right? I don't have Ethereum. I dumped all my Ethereum. I kind of like the gas fees and the craziness and that, so I'm out of there. Not financial advice. XRP is up 11%. BNB is up. Solana is up as well. Doge is up 38% in the last week. This is weekly, right? But on the daily, everything's kind of like down. To be expected. XRP 238. We did hit a high of 242. We've come down a little bit. I still believe that the XRP is being artificially depressed, right? You know what I mean? So we got Ripple and SEC reach 50 million settlement as CME schedules XRP futures for May 19th. So that is pretty good. As you guys know, that there's a $125 million fine, and basically the court said, okay, we're done. We're only going to charge you 50 million, and you guys we'll send the rest back to you. So yeah, so it's over. It's absolutely over. So good news, right? Good news. And we all knew it would be over with the new administration. We knew that. So Dogecoin is up like 48%. That's pretty good in the last month. So that's not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. You can see here 49.1% up. Not too shabby. Year to date, we're seeing that we're up 64%. Not too shabby, not too shabby. If we compare what XRP is up for the month, right now we're up 10% for the month. Sorry, 10%. It's 18.65% for the month. My bad. And for the year, we're up 371.96%. So what do you think about that, Stinky? My Stinky doll. Stinky and afraid. Stinky, new YouTuber right there. Stinky. Get Stinky. Guys, hope you're loving this content like I am. Let's have some fun. So we're looking good. Fear and greed for Bitcoin, 70%. Nice. So just in, there was this announcement, President Trump's most important and impactful truth ever issued. So basically, it looks like, and this is basically, they're giving an executive order to kind of reduce prescription drugs by 30 to 80%. So that's pretty good out there. So that's going to help the American people. A perfect storm is coming for crypto. Get ready, XRP holders. I think XRP is going to be the big coin on the block, guys. Just a matter of time. And we're seeing XRP whales are back. 880 million tokens have been accumulated this month, guys. So whales are still accumulating tokens like crazy. And I believe a lot of this is institutions. Also, look at this, guys. Dogecoin rally reignites meme coin frenzy. Expert reveals the best choices. Of course, Doge is the best choice, right? Doge, number one meme coin out there. Get out of there. Out there. So, like I said, we're seeing a bit of a frenzy back into the meme coins. Things are starting to come up. And once again, these is typically the gateway crypto for retail investors before they dump into Bitcoin and big stuff, right? So, if you're watching and you're not in XRP, not financial advice, I got a 10, and I know big things are going to happen. So this is good news. This is from Treasury Secretary Bassett. Says major progress made in China talks. Let's listen to what he's got to say about the China talks.
And I think that led to a great deal of the productivity we've seen. We will be giving details tomorrow. But I can tell you that the talks were productive. We had the vice premier, 2 vice ministers who were integrally involved, Ambassador Jameson and myself. And I spoke to President Trump, as did Ambassador Jameson last night, and he is fully informed of what is going on. So there will be a complete briefing tomorrow morning.
That's good news. So tomorrow morning there's going to be an update and there's going to be a huge announcement. So that is why everything could change tomorrow freaking morning, guys. So that's looking pretty good. DXY just doing its thing. I don't care about DXY. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now. We got this bull flag and we keep crashing into this 104.5 thousand resistance level. We're going to break out. That's all I got to say. We're going to break out. Wait for the huge announcement from Donald Trump. Everything is about to freaking change. Important. Just in, 10 trillion asset manager BlackRock meets with SEC Security Task Force to discuss staking, option, tokenization, ETFs approvals, and standards, guys. This is good news. XRP, once again, we went up yesterday, the day before yesterday, to 247. A lot of profits were taken, about 4% profits, and now we're building up. I think we'll probably get halfway back up to I think we'll get back up to 241 today for XRP. I believe it. Dogecoin as well, doing very well. We've had look at this, 1, 2, 3, huge pump, some profit taken. I think we're going to get halfway back up there, probably go to 25 cents. That's probably what's going to happen, but a huge announcement is coming, guys. XRP Ripple in 2 weeks. Okay, this is from this guy, and he's saying XRP, I could see $9 to $10 in the next 2 weeks. I'm not sure about that. I think $3 to $5. What do you guys think? Comment. $3 to $5 XRP in the next 2 weeks? Maybe, maybe. So, breaking news: United States announces trade deal with China. Nice. Details to come on Monday. This could freaking change everything, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. So that's kind of like, you know, good news, right? Good freaking news. Guys, don't forget to go and check out my link. Go follow my links. Deposit on BTC, leverage trading, copy trading, everything out there, and huge giveaways, up to $10,000 giveaway out there. So go check it out, guys. Check it out. So it's phenomenal news. We got the China deal. We got lots of good stuff happening, guys. Also, it looks like breaking. Whales have accumulated almost 300 million Doge in the last 48 hours. I still think we're gonna hit $1, guys. I think it's happening. It's happening. Breaking: Central Bank of Ireland officially approves XRP for payments. Nice. Nice. Breaking news: U.S. and China reach major trade deal in Geneva. 2 days high-level talks. Details tomorrow. It's great. And we got inverse head and shoulders breakout of the uptrend. Will continue for Dozier. Woozer, guys. Believe it. Believe it or not. It's going to freaking happen, guys. Yeah. So it's a great time to be alive. I love it. You love it. Guys, go follow me here. I appreciate it. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Webby.